Guys, it's raining right now. People running, people really scared this water. What drops in Oi, I need to go out of my bike because this my road is broken. Okay, right now it's really raining. On my camera you don't have to see how big this rain, but it's really so big. Yeah, it's really a lot of water around me right now, but I really don't care about this water. I'm just driving my bike and I have good emotions because I love this. I love this. All of these I love, you know. I love this weather. I love this weather. Right now, people running. I don't know what is that. Why my road is broken? I can't normally ride my bike, you know. People don't love rain, you know. And I before too don't love rain. I really scared rain. I don't love to walk when raining. But right now I really love rain. I love the thunder. I love rain. I love bad weather because it's really good atmosphere. Because it's really so good. You have this clear air after the rain, and I never use umbrella, if you know about what I'm talking, because I don't scare the water. It's really so strange when I'm talking about this shit, okay, but it's true. I don't use umbrella. I'm just riding my bike like this guy. Okay, this guy the same like me, riding the bike, and right now I'm just going to sport, you know, in a outside, not in a gym. Right now I'm going to make exercises in the outside, push-ups, pull-ups, and after this I'm gonna running around the lake.